Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading. And yes, of course, I'm on Insta. You can find the link there. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Thank you for the biggest support, donations, subscriptions, likes and everything. What else? Okay, the news that is coming for you. Okay, why did I say news? Something is not going to bother you anymore. Okay, whatever it was, tiny to big thing, I feel the change is happening. Okay, what was that? Okay, something that won't bother you. I saw jellyfish, and the jellyfish was not in the group. An individual jellyfish making her way or his way. I'm going to say her because I'm she. So she was making her way through the waters. She felt as if like, I have to take this step. I feel that jellyfish is not getting bothered by something anymore. You may check symbolism and all that stuff if it excites you, okay, if you are interested. But thank you for so beautiful comments. I mean, how you choose words, they are gorgeous. Okay, thank you. I'm going to actually take pictures of the comments. Okay, I'm going to share them on the Insta somewhere every now and then. I really want it because there are so many comments that I really want people to read them. Okay, so I'm going to try. Okay, let's stay updated on Instagram and here and in shorts on the video on YouTube. We're going to try. Okay, so I feel like there is something that is not going to bother you anymore. This one card came out, and okay, that's weird. Okay, that is weird. I have to, what just happened? Okay, weird part is that when I saw this card, it was Nine of Swords. I know some of you will think, what is she saying? But actually I saw it. It was Nine of Swords. I don't know how come this is Nine of Wands. Though it is 9, but I saw it as Nine of Swords. Okay, so maybe spirit world is trying to tell you that this is what you became. You became the fighter. You became so strong in this time frame that it doesn't bother you. You became your own umpire. You became how to protect your umpire. You became the fence. Okay, now listen to me, because when I picked up, I was like doing shuffle, this came out, I saw it like this, and I felt as if like it was Nine of Swords energy. Now this fits very well, because when I am saying that it doesn't bother you anymore, it is going great, because I feel like the anxiety is on the decline. If you people were going through something, because you've been doing something, you've been practicing something. Are you practicing something, learning something, defense or something like that? Also, certain kind of activity is coming in the picture, I see. This may be your own desire, okay? Some of you are creating something for yourself, which is so beautiful. It's all green. It's like you wake up with the energy mode of high, okay? It's like, what is like when you curl your hair and all that, or straighten or whatever is that, the temperature is so high that even during the change of the season, you're feeling warm and you're feeling like all heated up kind of energy, which is good, because you're ready, you're active, your mode is active, and you're very happy doing all the activities. I see like there's alignment of activities in your life right now, which is good. Okay, and I would love to hear even in the comment section, you people are no, not to give your personal information, anything, no, not like that. Anything that you are learning is good. Okay, because yeah, it's exciting how this happened. I don't know how this card came. Okay, but that's your card. Okay, interesting. So your card is Nine of Wands energy. I am ready. That is the message that this card is giving me, and it doesn't bother me. Okay, it doesn't bother me. The jellyfish is going all the way. Okay, so I feel the jellyfish is the high priestess. Okay, I feel this is your energy, which is interesting, because you are not letting anyone know that what is my next plan or next step. And that's what I said, don't give personal anything. It's just that you are doing something. Yes, I'm doing something. Yes, my plans are there, kind of energy in a coded language. But the high priestess energy is about, okay, I'm not going to tell you. I have all the information, but I'm not going to tell you. Some of your intuition is working so great that if you plan something, it is being manifested the way you have planned. You get it? It's something like you had in mind and you're doing it, and it's going the way you wanted. Okay, now this is what is you are sitting on your emotions here, honey. Okay, some of you been dealing possible from the past, like a Piscean sign, not necessarily though, but it is about how to pass from this. Okay, it's also something that is getting reversed here. Reverse, like you're doing certain activity and you're feeling more energetic, more activated, and more I don't know how to put this, like reverse of like if you time travel and your age stops, which makes sense. Like in one of the serials, K-drama, it was King, okay, the king, eternal monarch, and their age is like they're going to remain same for a very long time, kind of like, or their age will get reversed, or like at least they will stay in that same age. Okay, if that makes sense. So staying youthful and all that stuff. Okay, or that kind of energy that I wanted to say. So you might be feeling the reverse of something, like it's like more beautiful, more graceful, more, the way you're doing the stuff is more graceful here, which is important. Okay, that's what, how you want to take this card as a take it. Wow, so I have certain message from, let's take this. In my last reading, I want to mention it because maybe some of you will notice it, of course, because it's on the platter. I took this deck. When I took this deck from this side, okay? And my way is like, if some cards are left, supposedly, they're left for reason. And if you cannot see it because I couldn't, I don't know what happened, there were some cards left like this, okay? Just to show you, like this. They were left here, and I don't know. Okay, and later on when I completed my reading, I saw, oh my god, there were cards. So I had that thought that even I do sometimes reading from this much. That's my way. Okay, it's not necessary that everyone does the same way, but my way. So I feel like in that time frame, that's that world and the energies all that occupy us, they never wanted me to take that amount. That's what my thinking is. However, people may think different. So I just wanted to mention it here because maybe some of you will think why she did. Okay, I was not even aware, to be honest. I was not even aware. I just took my deck, I did the reading, it went fabulous, and boom. Then you see it later on and it is like the call. You were not supposed to take that, honey. Okay, so let me see what about that jellyfish. And she is flowing with the current, which means flowing with the current of the ocean. So now you're very much like, you are as an individual capable enough, okay, to give the sting to the one if they create problems for you. It is also about something that I am ready if something approaches me. Like I know. That's your power. It doesn't bother you. So the waiting, it doesn't bother you. You are capable enough to make way through the current of the ocean, of the emotions. That's what I see. Now you can take out your own things from the jellyfish and the current and what is that will not bother me. I see as that it's not going to bother you anymore because you are halfway, like you have left that idea of something. Okay, you don't wait for this person anymore, kind of energy, or you are not waiting. However, this fits you because this waiting is something that you desire the most. I also get this vibe that you are going to try something as an individual in this big ocean, in this big world out there, and you're not going to wait anymore for something to happen. You're going to work for that. This is your energy. You are going to enter in something that's kind of like your intuition is telling you should choose this, and you're going to choose it. Now this may be even work area, very, very important phase of your life right now, guys. Okay, you're not going to get saddened about some weight or this thing or that thing. You're going to make way, which means you're going to figure out what is happening even with the person, if it is about the person. It is also about your career, then you're going to do that. Okay, you're going to do what you're supposed to do. You're not going to wait for something to happen on its own. That kind of energy is coming. Okay, look, fortune. Some of you are going to hit jackpot kind of energy, or fortune. Whatever you are planning, you're going to do it, which is about your manifestation. So let me see where this jellyfish is heading. I have this energy of like, this is sweetheart. It came like this, okay? But however this is, because these are Sibilas, we can read it in different ways. You have a sweetheart. I feel that it doesn't bother you. The weight doesn't bother you. I'm right. And this is also the energy you are prepared, and you've learned the art of getting back together to collect yourself and not to wait for someone, not to waste your energy, and knowing the facts, okay, already. You being the high priestess right now. Okay. Apart from that, this is also the energy of, I see like someone who is getting messy. Now again, this energy, as in like a jellyfish, you are heading towards to know the truth, okay, about something, as if like you're confirming something, as if you know it. Okay, it doesn't bother you, but you still need to figure out something, and you're going to. Okay, let's see. Interesting reading, because jellyfish is heading. Some of you, jellyfish is heading, and this is what you're no longer dragging. You're just dropping this idea of, I heard like getting back together, like dropping the idea. I don't want it even. I don't want to wait for something. Okay. And that's when I feel your sweetheart, or the person you're connecting, or you connected, they're going to get into mess. I did one of the reading when lover was in a mess. Okay, you have this energy of Knight of Wands energy. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. Apart from that, this is the next phase of your life. That's what I said. You are taking things in control, and you've been already doing it, but this is also activated mode, your own activated mode. But I also see like some new phase is coming in the picture, wherein this person might head towards you. This was always destined. What is that is going on with the High Priestess? Okay, makes sense. Oh my god, this is like, I'm not going to express it anymore. I know what caused me this, and I talked about in the start of Nine of Swords. It was supposed to come this way. Nine of Swords. So this doesn't bother you anymore. Nine of Swords bothered you too much. Like kind of energies of sour moments, sleepless nights, anxieties, but this is on the decline, which is good. You've been thinking about something, and now you're putting that aside, and you're stepping on those emotions. Okay, I don't want to know that side, and that's okay. Recording time 13:13, you ended something. You are ending. You're ready for the end. Okay, now with this High Priestess, you're ending the anxiety connected with certain phase of your life. Like you're no longer that excited about. Okay, but I feel like someone on the other side is getting that 50% active mode. Like this person is going to approach, but you are ready. What's coming in the future? Okay, I'm going to take the one. This may be an Aries, the Emperor, but I'm going to take this card. Okay, you may check Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean reading, because they got it in the future kind of here position, this position. With the Empress energy, something is over. Now here I also see like it is something coming, birth. So this may connect with the pregnancy. Okay, some of your intuition is working great, and that's why it's like you waited for like kind of like 9 months kind of energy, and in the winters there's going to be birth of your baby. So this is specific to female energies, and there are so many female energies. If you can see, the majority is here. Apart from this energy, you're holding the position. There is some fertility coming. Apart from all that kind of fertility, you're holding in the position. Okay, you're ready. There's going to be fragile moment that you have to hold in and have the power at the same time. What is with this Empress? You're entering in a new phase. Lovers verse. Oh wow, this card is flipped inside. Let's see. Four of Pentacles energy. I heard acknowledging. Something that you're acknowledging. Something that you are not going to let go or let lose. This may be even money. This may be your position. This may be something very important that you're going to love for life now in this time frame. Okay, but with the Four of Pentacles energy, it's about some of your home, some of your, like, possible it is also custody, but though it's not coming here very major, but as the mother kind of energy, the Empress, this may. With the Four of Pentacles energy, there's something that is still lingering on, maybe just a thought. Okay, maybe this is with the person. Knight of Wands energy. Okay, let's see what's with this Knight of Wands energy. Is this a person or something? I heard next session or next section of your life. I feel like this is the one who is going to, Ace of Wands. Okay, there's going to be someone who is going to approach. With the Ten of Wands energy, I heard unapproachable. I feel like someone is about to approach, but something is unapproachable from at your end. I feel like you're not allowing it, because this is like a construction where your umpire is right from this place. And it's like something that is unknown territory for them. They don't know where to find you, kind of energy. This is something that you have acknowledged. This is something that you're no longer dragging, no longer waiting, no longer like kind of like you don't feel the same anymore for someone out there. And this may actually startle them. With the Page of Wands energy, there's a lot of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Okay, apart from the sign, there is the message that may get the reply or that may not get the reply. However this fits your situation, I feel like someone is going to get startled with the fact that how you're acting or behaving or doing the stuff in your life. And for many of you, possible this has to do with the High Priest energy of like marriage, rules, regulations, formations, law, something like that. Okay, I'm hearing you're going to hear out. Okay, what I am hearing is you're going to hear out. What you're going to hear out, you just need to figure out, but I feel like you're going to hear out something, maybe from the person, some news, your sweetheart, someone who said or who will say I waited for you. This Four of Pentacles energy is also about them, that like someone's heart is glowing suddenly and they really want to manifest something, and you're like, I knew it. You're going to hear out. Yes, it makes sense, so much of sense. Look, you have Queen of Wands energy. However, this male or female doesn't matter, because these are general vibes. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is very prominent. Fire is very prominent. But with the Eight of Wands energy, look, something is about to move, and it is about what is coming towards you, where you are heading. This may be travel. This may be someone who is about to contact you. You know, I just said that hear you. I'm hearing that someone is about to hear from you, or you're going to hear about from someone. Eight of Wands conversation coming in. It's going to be a little puzzled because it's going to be coming very fast. Okay, this is fast approach. Someone who is interested in knowing about you, and this may be coming as a surprise because it's going to have a lot of stuff here. Lot of wands, lot of questions, lot of things, lot of manifestation kind of energy, lot of things that someone does want to know from you, but you have already reached Nine of Wands energy kind of. Okay, take care. This is contact, definitely. Okay, move. Bye, see you soon.